Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to connect the Beats Solo 4 to your Mac or MacBook. Now, the first things first, ensure that the Beats Solo 4 have been powered on. So as you can see, mine are on. And then you have to put them into pairing mode. Now, how do we put these headphones into pairing mode? So to put them into pairing mode, all you have to do is press and hold the power button for about 5 seconds. And you should see this light blink rapidly until indicate that they're in pairing mode. So let's do that. So press and hold the power button for 5 seconds. As you can see, now they're in pairing mode. Now from here, all you have to do is go to your Mac or your MacBook and click on the control center icon at the top right corner. Here it is. And then find the Bluetooth option and click on the arrow next to Bluetooth. And then from here, scroll down and select Bluetooth settings. Now within the Bluetooth settings, scroll down until you find the section nearby devices, and you can see my Beats Solo 4 has been discovered by my MacBook. So all you have to do is click on click on connect, and then give it a few seconds. And then you should see this prompt. Do you want to set up Hey Siri on these headphones? So you can select enable if you want, but for now I'll just select cancel. And there you go. Your Bluetooth, or rather your Beats Solo 4 have been successfully connected to your MacBook, and you can see it at this section. Now, to ensure that your audio on be it a video or music, to ensure that the audio is coming out from the Beats Solo 4, all you have to do, let me close this. All you have to do is click on the control center icon again at the top right corner. And then you should find this sound section, and then click on the arrow next to it. And ensure that your Beats Solo 4 is the output device on your Mac or your MacBook. So that means that whenever you play music or watch any video, your Beats Solo 4 will be the default output. So that's basically it on how to connect the Beats Solo 4 to your MacBook or your Mac. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.